Hey y'all, I'm your credit CEO. Welcome back to my channel. My sole purpose is to teach you about personal and business credit because we weren't taught it in school. I help people like you build and leverage your credit. And if you're working on fixing your credit but still feel like you're going in circles financially, this video is for you. Today, I am breaking down the most common credit repair mistakes that are secretly draining your money and stunting your financial growth. So grab a notebook and let's get into it. Listen, fixing your credit is powerful, but if you're doing it wrong, you could actually be keeping yourself broke without even realizing it. Let's talk about how to stop wasting time and money. Mistake number one, you're only disputing negative accounts. Only disputing negative accounts and ignoring your overall credit profile. You can delete every collection on your report, but if your credit utilization is maxed out or you don't have a healthy mix of accounts, your score will stay stuck. Credit repair isn't just about deletion, it's about strategy. Mistake number two, not investing in rebuilding. After you clean it up, you've got to build it up. A clean credit report with no credit activity doesn't mean anything to lenders. You need positive payment history, revolving accounts, and time. That's the formula. If you don't understand how credit works, you'll keep messing it up even after it's fixed. That's why inside my credit restoration program, we include weekly credit education because credit is just not a one time fix, it's a lifestyle. Last but not least is giving up too soon. If your score doesn't jump in 30 days, don't quit. Stay consistent, stay strategic. You'll get there. If this video hit home, drop a fire emoji in the comments and let me know which mistakes you've made. No shame, just growth. If you want a customized credit strategy with guaranteed results, tap the link in my description and join my credit restoration program today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any game I'm dropping. Your financial glow up starts right here.